So in this video, we're going to cover a little bit more about how the schema works here on your blog post or on a page of content. And I use Rank Math SEO. It's a paid plugin. I think it costs $59 a year. Price may have gone up. I'm not sure. You have to go to rankmath.com and see what the current price is. I'm not an affiliate marketer for them unless they want to pay me. Awesome. But until that ever happens, it's just a great plugin. I dumped Yoast SEO years ago and went to Rank Math because it gave me a rating score. This page here is 66 out of 100. It's a new blog post I'm launching on, let's see, Huntington Beach New Year's Eve 2023 events. So I write an events list. There's not 20 items yet. And it's kind of cool because I have a lot of people that go there. But this is one of the key reasons why. It's this schema here. It's picked up by the search engines, and they're able to categorize it better in each search engine's database. And so the first one of the schema is, well, we'll go this way here. So general is going to be whatever you're going to call your blog post, whatever you want to make your URL or the permalink, and whatever your description is. Now there is a generate with AI, comes in the pro edition of Rank Math. You can click here and it will we'll do it real quick here. And it will write, you can have maybe 3 of them written, and it'll write 3 different versions. You can, the audience is, not going to do it right now, but you can set up the audience to be, let's say it was students, and it would write for students. Or if it was professionals or business owners, you've got a long list. You can come and play with it, the product, as much as you want. We're just going to leave it in a general audience. Your keyword's already there. It came from the blog post. I want a casual writer, but there's other ways to do it. Formal, conversational. You just have to experiment and see which works best for you. And then it'll kick out some possible things that you can copy it or insert it, and then it just inserts it right into this section here. So it just makes your life a little bit easier when you're writing a blog post or a page of content about a certain subject. And then from there, this here is, I want it indexed. You could do no follow. I don't do that. I want Google, Yahoo, and Bing to pick up the content and rank it so I get traffic, because it will be helpful once I get complete it. Then over here is where the schema is, and over here I believe is the social, but I don't have the featured image loaded, so it doesn't change there. So I'm going to just briefly go over this. This is the scoring method. It helps me to write better blog posts overall. So I have the keyword. The focus keyword is right here. I have a long keyword, not a normal short keyword. Hooray, your focus keyword is in the title, the SEO title, which is way back up here. And then your keyword is in the meta description. It's in the URL. It appears in the first 10% of the content. Huntington Beach, New Year's Eve. So that's good to know. And your focus keyword is found in the content. And then I only have 237 words out of 600. And sometimes this will vary and show me I need 5,000 words or 2,300 words. The additional section here, it needs an image with the focus keyword and the alt text. Keyword density, it's only mentioned one time. Well, I'm not done yet. We couldn't find any internal links, so it will be linking to other blog posts within the website here. And then the content AI, I'll show you what that looks like real quick here. So content AI, it puts the keyword right in here, and then it's an AI that's going out and looking at current data, what everything ranks, and it'll give you kind of a picture of what you need to do as far as headings go. Number of each in H2 heading is a part of an outline, an H3 heading. It'll break it all down. This is such a huge blessing for me as a blogger and a entrepreneur in real estate So right now I've got 237 words. I need to find something between 792 words and 1188 words. The link count is at 8, so right now it prefers that I have 2 internal links. I'll work on 2 of those, but external links, right now it has 8. There's probably going to be about 30 because I'm linking out to all the events. I don't get any benefit by linking out to them. They're not paying me a commission. This, again, it's a community type of blog post. And then headings right here. So they expect me to have between 13 and 20 headings. Not sure what they'd all be about, but in H2, there's 1, and I believe that one is sitting right there. And there's no H3 tags yet. I can easily solve that problem. H4 tags, no H5, H6. Down below, it shows me keywords. So Beach New Year's Eve 2023, I use that. Is there any way I can use Posh OC New Year's Eve in this article? I'll figure it out. Huntington Beach NYE, so somewhere that'll be in there so I can get all these keywords added in. Long Beach New Year's Eve, that'll be at the bottom because I do have a Long Beach New Year's Eve blog post. It's already launched, but I am not fully promoting it because today's the 19th of December. So I'm kind of waiting until the 26th before I promote. I got about 4 blog posts about New Year's Eve before I promote those on social media and more on the websites to beef up traffic. So that's what's going on there. Sometimes it gives you questions like where to celebrate New Year's Eve in 2023, year 2023 in California. Well, if I wrote a blog post about that, that would probably take me days of New Year's Eve events. I don't want to do that. Does Long Beach do fireworks for New Year's Eve? Only at the Queen Mary in downtown. So that's a frequently asked question. These are frequently asked questions. So it's pretty cool when they provide it right there for you. I'm not in Chicago, so I'm not going to worry about that one. If there's any extra links, wow, see different links. Like here's the montage. They're having some events. Studio City, Knott's Berry Farm. So these links I can somehow work into the content here, and then that just helps the website grow and provides better value or helpful content to the consumer reading it. And let's see. Here's the media count. Let's see what that says. Here's a little down arrow. They prefer 1 image. I'm going to have a lot more than that. They would like a video, but it's 0 of 0. So I'm going to add a video in. I'm going to add an image in. I'm going to have at least 10 H3 tags, 2 H4 tags. Then we'll see what we do with the rest. And then this has to do with the AI. We're not covering that today. We're going to go, back over here to schema. This is the one thing I love about this because it's helped me rank New Year's Eve articles, 4th of July articles, and other events. And just by clicking on, because right here it defaults to article, I hit schema generator. I just ate some wonderful food that I made. Schema generator, it launches this block here. And in this block, I have the article. I have a course, data set, frequently asked questions. So we will be using that in the blog post. Event, we're going to use event in just a second here. Fact check, you could use that. I haven't used that yet. How to, so I guess I could use that in some of the teaching videos that I do for realtors that want to grow their business online. Job postings, I'm not hiring anyone today. If I was reviewing a movie, I could use schema for movies, music, and all of this here helps Google, Yahoo, and Bing take your website and put it into their database in such a way that it categorizes everything. So the more practical way you use it, the better they categorize it, the better chance of you ranking higher. Is a guarantee? No, nothing's guaranteed. But it's better to do it, I found, just by using this event schema right here for a New Year's Eve or 4th of July blog post. I've gotten on Google's calendar and gotten a ton more traffic. And so I have a whole plan and strategy on how to get traffic. You said, well, Jay, you're in real estate, you're not a community blogger. I do things a little bit differently than 99% of the realtors out there. Most of them will not be blogging anything about New Year's Eve or the 4th of July or anything else unless they watch the video. Maybe, but not many of them do that. So right here I put the title, let's say 20 Huntington Beach New Year's, I know there's supposed to be apostrophe, Eve 2023 events by Jay Valento. Well, I got to do a little self-promotion there. And then down in here, I'll have a description that will repeat the thing. I'll make up one a little bit later. It's an event. It's a scheduled event. It's offline, so that means all the people will be attending these events on the list posts here that I have. They're all offline. Then I'll come up with the venue name, which will probably just be something like this, because it's my events that I'm promoting. Somebody else is throwing all the events. The venue URL, I used whatever this post is going to be right there. Then a street address. So if I know like it's 100 Main Street, which should be at the pier, and this would be Huntington Beach, and this would be Orange County, and I don't know what the post is. Let's see, it's 92648 would be my guess. The country, I'd put US. We can say it's a person or an organization. It depends on what you select here to remember what you do next. So let's just put person, and we're going to just go way up to the top here and grab like this. If it's an organization, you can do it. Just depends on how you're using it. Just drop it in like this. Website, I'll end up putting my real estate website in here. Shameless plug, redwagonteam.com. If you're buying a house in Southern California, it's better than Redfin, Zillow, Homes.com, and so on. I've been there longer. Okay, let's see, redwagonteam.com. We'll put news for the blog. And the start date. So the start date of the New Year's Eve events, I put right here. So it's going to be on the 31st. And we're going to say 7. I'm a little different. I do it 7:07. It's a little bit different. Just like when I do open house, it's from 1 to 4:37 p.m. A lot of psychological reasons why I do that. I'll tell you in another video. End date is going to be on January 1st. And we're going to say the time will be, as I'm writing this blog post, at 4:10 p.m. today. So it's going to be at 1:11. So if it pops in the Google Calendar at 1:11 a.m., you'll know it's from me. So a little bit crazy there. Then here I would probably put whatever the page of this blog post is will go here. The price is free. You have to pay your own dime. US currency, I think it's USD. In stock, price, valid. You can fill out all this information. You can put inventory. You can put the rating of the events. You can put a 5, scale 1 to 5. You can put some pros and cons down here if you'd like, and then you just hit save for this post. And then you have the event scheduled. And it's that easy. And so you just have to finish your blog post out, and then after Christmas, you promote it everywhere. But once you write it, it's already published, and you take another step as you once you publish it. This is what I do, and a lot of people don't do this either. I mean, it does automatically go into Bing because I've got it set up, but I can also go into Google Search Console. Oops, Google Search console. So I would go to Google Search Console. This is what I would do. So everybody's going to do it differently. Some people don't push it out through here. I will just pop it in here. And then tell you what website is here. I'll just paste it up above. The screen's a little low, but I'll paste the page up above here and hit submit, and then it will submit it directly in the search engine and get that fired up, because I want Google to crawl the website and look at the blog post and make changes and update their content, and hopefully make this page for Huntington Beach New Year's Eve 2023 pop in the search engines, so I get more traffic, as we are selling homes and condos. Let me see where. Here's Santa on the front page, Long Beach Real Estate and Beach City Homes. And for Huntington Beach Homes, you just go here and find Huntington Beach Homes, so you can search all over Southern California. Oops, someone's surfing right there looking for real estate. Anyway, that's my video on how to use Schema, and I hope that's helpful to you. If you have any questions, just put them down in the comments, and I'll create a video to help you with your real estate business, whether it's in real estate or small business. Take care. Have an awesome day. Bye.